What's up, fellow fescue freaks? Today is March 21st. It is 11 o'clock in North Carolina, and I just wanted to inform some of y'all that are looking to possibly do a spring seeding or have room to stock up on seed for your fall applications, your fall overseeds, or just doing touch-ups, whatever. Heritage has got a sale going for the next 4 days. Today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's it. $15 off per bag. It's a flash sale. Just want to let as many people as I can know about it to where they can take advantage of the $15 off a bag. So that will make your Artemis $170. And you have a little bit of tax, but that includes shipping. That'll make the 90-10 mix the same price. And then the CALYPSOW is a little bit cheaper. And the CALYPSOW, I'll bring up a seed tag. CALYPSOW is a lot like Artemis. It doesn't have the top 4 Mountain View performers from the testing. But it does have a very good 4-way blend of cultivars. All of these seeds are 0-0. All of these seeds are blue tag. And blue tag just means that they're certified and you are getting what you're paying for. A lot of people are confused about blue tag. Blue tag does not mean, and I thought this in the beginning in 2015, like blue tag is great. Well, blue tag can also be very shitty. It just guarantees that you're getting what you're paying for. It doesn't guarantee that it's weed free. It doesn't guarantee anything else. It's just certified saying, hey, this has titanium in it. Yes, I'm paying for titanium. It doesn't mean anything other than that. So let's look at Artemis right quick. Artemis is my favorite by far. I wanted to support Mountain View, and when I first ran across Winfield before it became Heritage, that was the only place I knew where I could buy the cultivars that I wanted, straight offline, shipped to my door. So I support the Mountain View cultivars heavily. As you can see here, you've got a 4-way split, 0 crop seeds, 0 weed seeds. What that means is if that had some crop seed in there, you could possibly be getting poatriv, ryegrass. What's the next one that's a really common? Orchard grass. You could be getting other crops that you do not want to have to clean out of your cool season turf. Comes a problem. So this is my favorite. This is what's in my yard. If you've seen any of my videos, I love the color of this turf. I'm at 0 nitrogen for the year. So no applications, no iron, no anything. This is the color of these cultivars. So beautiful dark green. Not a super wide blade like old school stuff. Not a little skinny blade neither. But just very lush. It takes off a little slow, but it puts down some major roots and then it takes off. All right, so the next one is for people who want a 90-10 mix, that want some bluegrass in their turf. You cannot beat this one. It's also 0-0, super clean. Blue tag as well, so you get what you're paying for. And this one on sale is like $170. You have a little bit of tax. Other than that, free shipping directly to your door. These are 50-pound bags. I will say that the Artemis is available in 25-pound bags. And then Artemis, I'm just going to say this is Artemis' little brother. Very close. Still a 4-way split. Very clean. 0-0. And then this one is normally, I think, $170. So you'd knock 15 off of that. It's a great price delivered to your door for blue tag, certified, clean, weed-free, 0-0. But anyway, hopefully this helps some people. just wanting to get the word out. This is only a 4-day sale. This stuff will store, or if you got spring touch-ups, just get on the ball, get your seed ordered in these 4 days, and use this code right here, SPRING15, $15 off. And if there's any other turf products you need, shop around while you're there. Check out Heritage website. All right. Thank y'all. Hopefully this helps someone. Hopefully it saves some money. If nothing else, just visit their site and see if there's anything else you can use. Y'all have a great day. Thank you. And hopefully this helps someone. Oh, hold on a second here. I got something. So those 3 are on sale. Artimus. I'm going to screw up. POSIDUNN. I don't know. CALYPSOW. Good Lord, these words. But thanks, Bruce, for naming these. I can say this one, Artimus. That's my favorite. Y'all guys go out, stock up, save up. Have a great day.